Hi, this is Callum from Kaos Sk8.com and today I'll be showing you how to add stunt pegs onto your scooter. This is a scooter for one of our customers that's requested to get stunt pegs added onto it. The stunt pegs that he's chosen are custom 81 generic pegs. They fit every scooter in the world. The tools that I'm going to be using to add these stunt pegs to the scooter are two 5mm Allen keys with a 6mm on the other side for the stunt pegs later on. First of all, loosen off the front wheel. You take an Allen key either side, apply pressure and loosen it off. And remove the wheel. And keep your existing axle bolt in case you ever want to take your stunt pegs off in the future. Inside your pack of pegs you have two stunt pegs, four bolts and four washers. Each one of these bolts are different lengths, so they fit every scooter. Smallest one always goes on the front, and then for the back it's either medium or a large size, but you can work that out depending on which scooter you have. So what I'm going to do, take the smallest one for the front, put a washer on it, put the wheel back on, slide it through so it attaches on, and for the other side, washer on that side, stunt peg screws directly onto the bolt. You take your 6mm Allen key, hold the stunt peg tight and just start to turn. As you turn, that tightens up onto the stunt peg. Just keep going until you can feel it getting tighter. Get to that point, get a good tighten, and that's you. Now for the back one. To remove your axles, same again, there's two 5mm Allen keys, loosen it off. Right, so instead of taking out your back axle bolt to keep your spacers in, take the medium sized bolt, wash it on and just slide directly through, just following the path of the old bolt. Once your back axle is through, same again with the front, take your stunt peg, hold on the stunt peg and just screw it. You feel it getting tight, again hold it really tight, squeeze, one more, that's you. So that is how you apply custom 81 stunt pegs to your scooter.